Hey there, this is Veeresh Halli, and today I would like to give a demonstration of my project called IMDb Rest API. IMDb Rest API is developed using REST framework and Django filters. IMDb Rest API is an API for top 25 movies rated by IMDb. Now I would like to mention some of the REST API endpoints, and they are get movie details sorted by name, rating, release date and duration, search movies by name and description. API should be accessed after authentication. Admin can create, update and delete a movie. I will quickly run the server by typing python manage.py run server. Python manage.py run server. The server has started the port number 8000. I will go to Google and type http. Okay, it is showing me that page is not found, and because I have given URL as movie list, I would have used Postman for this, but I prefer this method for this time. Okay, I will type movie list here. It is asking for the username and password. I will give cancel this time. Okay, it is saying that authentication credential were not provided. I will refresh the page once again, and it is asking me. I will give the credentials this time and hit sign in. Okay, now it is showing me the top 25 movie list. These are the top rated movies by the IMDb. Using filter option here, this filter option here, we can filter the movies by its name and description. And if I want to search for Godfather, I will simply type Godfather here and hit search, and it is showing the results for Godfather, and this time it is showing the result for the title. And if I want to search for a keyword called life, keyword for life, it is showing the results for life. Okay, here this time the keyword life is in the description, and for this it's in the movie title. Okay, let me clear this. Go to movie list here. It's still loading. Yeah, got it. Yeah, using this same filter option, we can sort the movie by name in the ascending order. Now, this is the ascending order: Angry Man, City, Fight Club. Yeah, this is the ascending order, and this is the descending order. The Angry Man goes to last, and we can filter by rating. This is the filter by rating, and this is in the ascending order, and we can do it for the same for rating. Descending, release date ascending, release date descending, duration ascending, and duration descending. Let me clear this again. Okay, now what if an author wants to create a movie? He can create a movie. Okay, before that, let me copy this first. I copied the format, and I will go to create movie here. Create movie. Okay, we can create a movie here. I will paste the format here. Okay, and I will name the movie as Redemption 5 here. Okay, Redemption 5. Rating will be 10, and the release date will be 2021. Okay, and duration will be the same, and everything will be the same. I will save the movie. Okay, I saved the movie, and I will go to movie list now to check whether the movie is listed or not. Movie list. Yeah, our movie is listed over here. As you can see here, I have given rating for this movie as 9/10, which is wrong and which is not acceptable. And we can update it movie rating by going to the update movie URL with its ID. I will go to the URL update movie here. Update movie with its ID. Its ID is 29. Hit enter. Okay, now I can update the movie. Okay, it's 9/10 now. I will make it 10 and hit post. Okay, it is updated here. I will go to the movie list now to check whether it is updated or not. Movie list. Okay, it's best to check with the movie name. Yes, our ID is 29 and it is updated. Okay, now I want to delete this movie. I can do that by going to the delete movie with its ID. Okay, I will go to the delete movie URL. Delete movie URL with its ID. Its ID is 29. Okay, now it is asking me whether I want to delete or not. Are you sure want to delete the movie? I say yes. It is saying that movie successfully deleted. Okay, I will check whether it is deleted or not by going to the movie list. Movie list. And I will search for redemption. Fine, redemption. Yes guys, we have successfully deleted the movie. If you found this project interesting, please hit that like button and share as many times as you can. Thanks for watching.